Now let's configure how each user, like sales user in our team, will see contacts record, companies records, and deal records. Let me show you what does it mean. So if we go to our contacts, this is like our CRM, and we can go to any contact. You see that we have on the left side we have information about like contacts. This is just a general view. We have overview tab in the middle. We have activities in the middle where you can check all the activities including marketing, and on the right side we have various associations like payment links, contacts, subscriptions, payments, a lot of information. And our goal would be to hide some unnecessary information on this site and remain only those that are actually needed for your sales team. In this case, it would be much easier for them to operate HubSpot. It would be quite fast. They can also adopt to HubSpot quite faster. Okay, so for doing that, I'm also want to go to settings and again users and teams, go to teams, and I want to add me first to this sales, maybe not this one, two entrance here, sorry. Okay, I want to add me for this sales team temporarily because I want to test it out as well. So we can, again, if you go to contacts, there are different options how you can change the record view, but one of the main option, you can simply click on these settings, customize record, and here you see that we have some contact sales, no team assigned, but let's create them from scratch. Create team view. I will name it sales view new. Okay, so you see that on the left side we have different cards. You can also remove these cards. You can add new cards with properties, and each card can be edited. So this card, when you go to this card, you can see that, okay, we have email, phone number, contact owner, and some other properties. Maybe they don't need some properties like marketing or whatever. Maybe they need, just think about your process, what your sales people really need here. Maybe it's like some kind of maybe invoicing address if they are working with invoices. Maybe they need also some contacts like social networks or some other things. I don't think that salespeople, if they need information about communication subscriptions, it's like more marketing thing. So I can simply remove it. I can also simply remove website activity if they don't need it. They don't want to see which pages are seen by their clients. Maybe we can leave about this contact information, and okay, so contact owner, email, phone number, so some contact information. Lifecycle stage, I would want lifecycle stage would be the first one. Legal basis, I think they don't need it. Not record source. Maybe lead status. Lead status is like a bit outdated property. Now HubSpot substituted it with the lead stages, but these lead stages can also be synced with this property. We will talk of it a bit later. So lifecycle stage, lead status, email, phone number, contact owner, and the last contacted. If you want to add a new property, maybe mobile phone number, maybe some let's say we have a link, if you have a LinkedIn URL, so that they can easily go to LinkedIn, then we can remain it, save. And let's say we want to add a new card, choose property list, create record, property list small. We can name it, let's say we will add their address here, And in the address we will find properties. Firstly, it could be country, region, and then state, state, region, then city. Of course, you can add any properties here, postal code, and maybe street address. Okay, that is it. Maybe street address here, postal code here. You can also use conditional logic. So if let's say if somebody clicks on country region, or country region is known, then another property might be appeared. I think we don't need it for now. So click on save. You see that address was added here. Okay, that's nice. Then let's go to the middle column. There is an overview. In overview, you can also add activities. You can add different associations. However, associations are also added on the right side. So what I also would recommend you to change the tab order. So maybe salespeople would want to see the activities like the emails, the calls, and some other maybe social network activities that if they are using LinkedIn and LinkedIn is synced with HubSpot, maybe activities is the most important, so that the activities will go first. In the overview, you see that there are a lot of things like pinned activities, upcoming courses. They don't need courses, don't need orders if you don't use it. Payments, maybe they don't need tickets, don't need subscriptions. Contacts and companies can be seen here. So I will also remove it. I will remove deals because they will be here under associations. You see that Breeze record summary is a nice one. So you can also see the data highlights if needed. It's if you click on edit, we can see that when it's created, what is the life cycle stage, or what is the last activity date. You can decide if you need it. I can simply remove it for now. If needed as well, you can add new cards. You can add even sales navigator if you're using LinkedIn. Data highlights. You can create a new card the same way as we did for the left sidebar. Okay, and on the right side, what I would want to do is to make lead stage tracker as the first one, then companies associated, deals, tickets. Maybe if they want to see if there are any tickets, but I would say we can remove it. If you are using HubSpot Commerce Hub, then you can also remain these things based, as I said, based on your process. But let's remove it for now. In HubSpot, we also have contact to contact association. Let's see, you want to associate it, a contact with some referral, a person who recommended this contact. You can associate him here, or whatever logic you are using in your business. I will remove subscriptions, remove payments, maybe orders, cards, courses, attachments. Okay, attachments can be here, but again, it's up to you. I'll remove contact create attribution, integration synced, sales if you're using Sales Navigator, that's a good one for salespeople. List memberships, I'm not sure they need it. Lead scoring is a fine one. Invoices, if you use invoices, let's remain them. Playbooks are different educational materials for calling. Remove workflow memberships. PandaDoc is if you are using some kind of invoicing and documentation software, you can add it here. Let's remove it. And PandaDoc's rooms, let's remove it. Okay, that's good. So we customized it. I think it looks it looks better. It looks cleaner. Also, past feedback, maybe we can also remove it. And now the only thing remaining, we should assign a team for this view and choose a sales team. Done. Okay, after that, we can click save and exit. Anytime you can adjust it as needed. You can test it at yourself before assigning to sales team. Save and exit. Okay, super. Let's go. As I'm in the sales team, let's go to contacts. Again, go to our contact, and we see that on the left side we have address. If needed, this card can be hidden. We have activities at the first one, so we can check all the activities. At the overview, we have much cleaner information, and on the right side we have leads, we have companies, deals, contacts. Like we can also hide some of the info here, so lead scoring. So we have much less information, and I think your sales reps will be able to use HubSpot faster. That's it. Let's also go to the company side again. We are having companies, and we can customize records for companies as well. So I will not take a lot of time for doing it again. It's pretty the same logic. You can use like sales team new, you can name it as you want. Again, so we have overview, we have activities, and we have a business intelligence. If you are using business intelligence for enriching data, you can change type order, you can create new cards, you can like remove some of the unnecessary items here, unnecessary cards like payments, tickets, subscriptions. Again, it's up to you. It's up to what HubSpot features you're using. I know some of the clients says, oh, there are a lot of things here. It's quite hard for me to focus on something. So let's hide some unnecessary things, and so that your sales team can focus at what they really need to do in order to bring more revenue to your company, in order to do sales and convert leads to sales qualified leads and then to customers. And you can again have lead stage tracker here. It's up to you. You can play with it. You can remove some unnecessary things like payments, orders, cards, courses, maybe attachments, integration sync, account overview, again PandaDoc. Okay, so click on save and exit. Oh, sorry, don't forget to assign a team before. So again, we should assign a team here. Click on done, save and exit again. And the only thing that we should do is let's maybe change deals. You can also access deals from settings objects. And like another way, HubSpot is pretty similar, it's standardized. You can use record customization. Create team view, sales team. Again, this is the same interface. You can remove some items that you don't need. Maybe business intelligence, we don't need it for now. Pinned activity, deal scoring, okay, it's a good one. Maybe I can even make scoring here. You can again change the tab order if needed. And you can remove contacts, companies, because we have associations on the right side. Subscriptions, if you're using HubSpot subscriptions, of course you might consider using it here. Okay, so contacts, companies, tickets, payment links, if deal is associated with another deal somehow, subscriptions, payments, orders, and maybe not attachments, lead stage tracker, maybe remove, pipeline approvals, if you need this thing, like if your manager, sales manager, or you should approve deals from that are going from stage to stage or whatever, but I don't think you need it. It's then go to maybe quotes, revenue attribution. Okay, remove and remove. Okay, we will remain quotes because quotes is an important thing, I think, in deals. And also invoices here. Okay, assign teams, sales, done. Okay, nice. Save and exit. So now we have customized our record views. What we have now for all the sites, you can also check the preview customizations. What is preview? So if you go to deals or to any other object, preview is when you click not on at the name of the deal, but you click, let's say, here. This is a preview, so this is a pop-up window appeared after you clicking on some card, excluding this domain name, this name of the card. This is a preview, and it also can be customized. You might think that okay, we can customize it to remain only necessary things for our sales team. Let's do it. For deals, I'll go to settings, preview customization, create team view, again sales preview, and you can customize everything here, like what they need to see in previews. Maybe remove some of the items, remove courses, maybe tickets, we don't need it. If you need deal-to-deal associations, if no, you can remove it as well. You can change the order, pretty straightforward. Breeze record summary if needed, but we can maybe remove it for now. Revenue attribution, line items. Okay, assign teams the same way. Click on sales, done, and save and exit. You can do the same previews for the contacts and companies. I hope you understand it better for now, and let's go forward to the next lecture.